center para makapag-playground si Javi. Andyan siya sa likod. It's currently 4:30 in the afternoon. Kakagising lang ng bata. And may lakad si dad mamaya. Pupunta siya ng party. Parang get-together lang ng team niya. So, gabi na siya makakauwi. Kaya gagala na din kami. 'Di ba? Tapos, maya-maya, mapapagod na to. At least, madali siya makatulog sa gabi. So, let's go! At kung nakikita nyo guys, merong red circle. Diyan nakalagay yung speed limit. And yung number sa taas, yan naman yung speed na currently ng sasakyan. So, as of now, wala pang nababasang speed limit. Maya-maya, may 70 or 60 na dyan sa loob ng red circle. Ayan, traffic pa guys. Traffic pala kasi pauwi yung mga tao. Pero sana mabilis tayo makarating mamaya. And maganda yung playground sa Kalinap. Yung palagi naming pinupuntahan. So, yun lang. Medyo umaandar na yung traffic. So, ayun. Umaandar na. Yo. Ayan, andito na kami guys. So, pasok lang kami dito sa loob. Sa labas sana ako magpa-park para malapit sa playground. Kaso, mukhang uulan. So, para diretso na tayo mamaya sa loob, hindi tayo maulanan. Dito na lang kami sa loob nag-park. So, andun yung playground guys, dun sa dulo. Malayo pa yung nilakad namin. Pero, ano naman, at least nakakita kami ng mga something dito. Yan. Lakad lang kami. Woohoo! Nandito lang nakasakay yung bata. Sarap ng buhay. Pag magkasama na kami, nag-stroller to. Pero pag ganyan tatay niya, hindi to nag-stroller kasi nagpapakarga. And ang bait niya lang. Upo lang siya dyan. Antay na makarating kami sa playground. At mamaya, maglalaro. Mapapagod. Meron pa kaming at least 2 hours na laro bago kami umuwi. Ayan na yung exit. And dito sa labas may mga kainan din. Ito 11 pa siguro nagko-close yung dito sa labas. Ayan. Ito yung favorite mall namin. 10 to 15 minutes drive galing sa bahay. What are you gonna do?
I'm going to check.
You going to check the water?
Yeah. What's that one? That's on water.
Okay. Ayan, patay na. It's wet. No play in the water, my love. That's what they say. Yeah, let's go to the park. Let's go to the playground. No playing in the water, my love. That's what they say.
Yeah. 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 Wet. Wet.
Wet, it's wet. Let's go to the playground.
Okay.
Let's go. Yan, papunta na po kami ng park. Park, playground rather. Playground. Andyan yung bata. Wait for me! Don't take it off, my love. It's cold. Go! Go ahead. So, habang inaantay ko yung bata, nagja-jump siya sa trampoline. And yan yung car park na sinasabi ko, malapit lang sa playground. Nandiyan sa background. And dyan sana kami magpa-park. Pero pag uulan, diretso basa. Okay lang magdumi siya guys kasi meron namang hugasan dyan. Ayan. May hugasan. Maghugas na lang kami mamaya. Para mag-enjoy lang.
You just started that. No, you actually stop. Oh, you started. Can you wash your hands?
No, thank you.
Yes. Oh, we have to come back.
Pamumba. Pamumba da, todo. You pump it. Pump it.
I got the one we were fighting about. I know what. Thank you. Over. Yeah, I'm just going to wash your hands.
Nakapaan na siya guys. Basa na yung sapatos niya. May another shoes naman dun sa car.
Help! 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 What do I do, sir?
Ayan, pauwi na po kami guys. 6:10 na ng hapon. Maliwanag pa din. Mataas pang araw. Mga 7 pa siguro mag-didilim. So, pauwi na kami. Punta ng car park. Wala na siyang shoes. Nakapaanan lang siya kasi nagbasa-basa siya kanina. Dito tayo dumaan sa Meijer para maaliw tayo. We're here. Meijer. Para siyang SM o Ayala Mall sa Pilipinas. Ouch. Dito na po kami sa car. And try natin sipain to.
It's a number. No. Look, there's a number. Don't. You
Yan.
need it. Don't check it. I'm really hungry.
What else did you do? What else did you do earlier?
Get down.
You slide down. Did you do it by yourself?
Yeah.
And then what else? Did you slide down on the firefighter pole? Do you remember you slide down in the firefighter pole?
Oh,
Yeah, the pole.
I meant though.
What else did you do?
And you bring it up.
I'm gonna clean it up later when I finish. What else did you do?
I don't finish.
How about your munggo? Eat munggo, my love.
I want the only.
Tabaoni.
Yeah. What's the name? What's the name? No,
Mm.
I need to put my worst in.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Did you play with the water? Mm. Did you play with water?
No.
What did you play with? The pump? And there's a water coming out from the pump?
No. They didn't know. Hey.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I was there.
And did you see there are lights there too?
Yeah. Then and this missing.
Yeah.
And then who took it?
Who took what?
The other right.
Maybe it's just on the other side.
You buy some. I'll feed you back.
I'll feed you too.
I only feed you. No, some. What?
No, thank you.
You will have some.
Yeah.
I need some more rice. I need some more rice.
Mm-hmm. Mm. High five. High five.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay.
Yeah.